Yo, all gone people them, you don't know, say Yaadman, and we're on a journey right now, but you see this journey started by accident. A couple months ago, I shot a video on Instagram to show the people them how I make my sea moss gel.
I just make it myself. Sea moss, flax seeds.
You know when you can't make food on social media for Jamaican people to see it? Because they feel like say, if you don't do it like them or them granny, there's a problem.
Like a girl when she...
So right now, we're out in a St. Thomas, right by Roselle Falls. This is where we do some sea moss farming. So for the business, officially, for the Yaad Moss, we're out here, I'm going to show you where I get my wildcrafted sea moss from. But I'm wet up, but it's worth it. So we'll find some purple and gold sea moss, as you can see. Look here. So them here, the thin ones, the younger sea moss. You see me? Bigger ones like this, more mature. Go further out in the water, you can find some bigger ones like this. But you see, because this is not my job. I can't swim in it, but I not do that right now. You see me? I wait for the professional them to come pick up the big one them like this. But in a situation like this, you can just walk out on the beach and find some sea moss on the beach side, isn't it? Even the gold one them, these have been out a little bit longer. Sun bleached them out, as you can see. But yeah man, all we need to do is dry them here. I'm ready to go. As a matter of fact, I can show you some dry product right now. Forward man. So the product them here when they dry. Purple sea moss, gold sea moss. So these become that. Yeah. Yo, what going people? You don't know, say Yaadman. And I am here with my cousin. Introduce yourself, please, my boss.
Yeah man, LAR Farmers EXP Limited.
So,
Sea moss.
look you know, I don't tell you already, you know, I have things in the plans and in the mix. And right now, I have to do this the right way. I work with family. You understand me? I say, I'm a cousin right here, so I supply me with the sea moss for the Yaad Moss. You understand? So I just want to ask you a couple questions when it comes to sea moss for the people them who need to know. So firstly, where we're there and what are we doing out here?
Alright, we're there in St. Thomas, Roselle, waterfalls out on the rock here where you get all of your purple sea moss. Yeah, in St. Thomas. That's how we get most of the purple sea moss on the rock here. Yeah man.
Yeah, so enough time people ask me, where you get your sea moss, where you get your sea moss? Well, so the answer there, out in St. Thomas. Because when I'm in America, what I notice a lot, either you get wildcrafted sea moss from St. Lucia, or you come out of one pool. You can tell the people the difference between that?
Well, the one where them have as a fake, where they say work in where them grow it in the pool, them have to salt it. After them finish it, they have to use salt with it. So the one that come from the seed itself, when it's dry automatically, you can see the salt take time to come off of it, and its salt is very fine.
Yeah, true.
Not big and coarse.
Not no big piece of
chunk
salt,
of
where it look like you have to put it in one grinder.
No,
yeah,
like them diamond. No, it's a different process.
Yeah, so
because you know it's the seed grow it and give it all the nutrients, so automatically when it's drying, the salt gonna come out of it.
Okay, okay. So when it comes to pool sea moss, that sound like them have to mix different chemicals and then something there to kind of mimic what go on in the ocean.
Really and truly, through me the whole time, and we continue upon the traditional thing.
Traditional.
I can't really tell you how them do them thing, you know, because them know how to do them thing and mimic the sea and how to get it for them way, you understand? So,
but we just work on traditional here.
We are the authentic thing.
Yeah. So what kind of products do you make with the sea moss?
Alright, we make the drink and we make the gel. And we have the gold sea moss and the purple sea moss. And also, I have a lot of people going around and say there's no purple sea moss. So I'm glad we can get to do this thing.
Continue talk.
We're glad we can get to do this thing to make people know say purple sea moss is real. Some people talking about like say we use coloring and diet. So see the natural thing here.
Purple sea mosses.
I'm glad Yaadman take out this out of his sea himself.
Let me take this out of we can all show you the clips. I'm
Yeah.
going to see for myself for this, you see me? See
Different quality too.
Different quality
Different
thing.
grades. Yeah. So I'm glad we get this opportunity.
Yeah.
We can show the people say there's real purple sea
sea
moss.
moss.
No coloring, no
coloring.
painting.
I saw it natural.
Natural.
I saw God make it.
All right. Yeah. Universe.
Yeah.
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 We produce it.
Produce it,
Yeah.
yeah. So what's the difference between the gold and the purple sea moss?
Well, the gold one, you know, it's a regular thing. You have a creamish. Some people say creamish, we call it gold. Yeah. Or white, some people call it white. The purple one is more potent. You have the same nutrients as the gold one, but it's more potent, like how you have the purple onion and your grapefruit and you know.
Like
So-
how the purple onion tastes like onion, but
but
it's stronger.
stronger.
Ah,
Yes.
okay. Okay.
So you know, you get more nutrients and vitamins and everything out of zinc and everything.
Ah.
Yeah.
So tell me about some of the health benefits we get from
Alright.
sea moss.
92 essential minerals
Yeah.
you get from a sea moss.
Yeah.
You get out of the sea moss,
Yeah.
and your body need 102.
Ah.
Vitamin and minerals are essential minerals for your
Yeah.
body. Only food on the planet we have 92 essential minerals. When you consume this,
Yeah.
your body getting 92 essential minerals and fibers at one time. All right. If you forget that from any other fruits and whatever, you have to go eat a lot. Forget all of that. Yeah.
So for the people that need help with digestion and if they have problem and them buying up and them can't use a bathroom and them thing, they'd help with them gut health
Yeah,
and them
man.
thing there.
Sea moss. Once you start intake sea moss,
Yeah.
you start go to your bathroom on a regular basis. You can wake up in the morning, you go bathroom, and you know it's good for you if you go bathroom 2 times for the day. So sea moss to do that. Also, it detox you and it build you at the same time, give you all the nutrients to travel through the day.
True.
Yeah.
True, because when me make my drinks out of this, you know, sometimes I skip lunch, you know.
Yeah, man, you will skip lunch.
Yeah, come and go from breakfast
Because
straight
if-
to dinner.
Yeah, essential meals because it feel you just like a food.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, we could talk about the versatility because I know that some people only know sea moss as Irish moss drinks. What we can do with it? Like,
All right. Sea moss. Sea moss is an international name,
yeah,
but once you drop in a Caribbean, we say Irish moss.
yeah,
All right.
yeah.
So
And once me I sell it, I Yaad Moss.
yeah, moss. All right,
Yeah.
all right. So you can use this make a drink,
Yeah,
and you know, tradition. People
Yeah.
always want it mixed with something sweet because we used
Yeah.
to something sweet, right?
Yeah.
But the best way for the sea moss is take naturally. When you make it, you drink it without putting any additive in there like milk.
yeah,
You don't want no sweetness in it.
yeah.
If you even have sweetness, you can use like a ripe banana,
True. Dates.
some dates, and
honey.
honey. Yeah, honey. Yeah,
Agave
greatest.
syrup and them something there. Yeah.
You don't use nothing with preservative.
Yeah,
It's not
true.
going to get the essential minerals because
True.
the preservative that in of those things gonna break it down.
So for the people that say purple sea moss not real, see it here? Purple sea moss when it dry. And of course this is the gold sea moss what most people are accustomed to.
Yeah, that's a gold sea moss. We're glad we get to clear the air. LAR sea moss and Yaadman. We are
Yeah,
here to
man.
let the people them know that purple sea moss is real. The sea moss, LAR farmer sea moss drink, no preservative, no additive, but sea moss, linseed, and
Yeah.
gum arabic
Yeah,
and isinglass. You drink this naturally, no sweetening.
no sweetener. Yeah.
Only thing preserve this is on your fridge.
Ah, yeah.
Reason being we make this natural, in the water, the bottom of the water is the same temperature as your fridge. So that's why we use it, preserve it.
Makes sense.
No chemicals. So we have the sea moss gel
Yeah,
from the gold sea moss,
yeah,
and we have the drink. Yeah?
yeah.
So you can find it in a lot of stores in Jamaica. Yeah, LAR Farmer sea moss, if you can get it, the label properly.
Yeah, man.
Organica in Ligani, you can get health food store. And they have a next branch in Waterloo Road, new branch. We have it in Ferry, Fesco. And we have it in Angel, Fesco, in Angel, Spanish Town. And in Booth, in St. Anne's, Jacksall. You can get it in there. And also in Angel Plaza, Health Valley. You can go in the Health Valley Health Food Store. You get LAR Farmers, CMAS. And also in Mandeville, Gas Mart, Maypen, Jam Gas. And in Olaba, Giant Supermarket. And also in Stone Wellness Pharmacy. You can get LAR Farmers, CMAS.
All right. So, my cousin, one more question for you now. Because this is one thing what Jamaican people always talk about, you know. We talk about all the benefits and them something there.
Yeah.
Them something are really good in a bedroom and them something that make baby and them thing there. How that
All
work?
right. From the last time when we have chicken gunyan
Yeah.
thing,
Yeah.
whole heap of women, me not grow no corner, whole heap of women will drop off a shape.
Yeah.
So once you had beat these things, once your body bring it back to youthful,
What is it? Vitality.
vitality up, your thing up, your reproduction up as a man. Because most people feed from my CMAS,
Yeah.
bring
Yeah.
baby boy,
See it there?
a lot of babies.
See it there?
Even man, whole heap of men, my age,
Yeah.
have problem and say, Bossy, you need to tell me say you woman would get pregnant.
Yeah.
But it's all about your health. Once
Yeah.
we are dealing with health is wealth.
That is true.
Yeah,
And
and
that
it
is
bring
it.
you back to a youthful thing because we don't really go back to a youthful
Yeah.
roots or continue our roots where
Yeah.
we grew up with, where we granny
Yeah.
grew up with and
Yeah.
thing. So LAR Farmer, CMAS, and I know Yaadman I do the same thing.
A true thing.
Make
man.
sure say people them body up. Man,
That is
woman, baby, down to a baby on the breast. You can put it in a them cereal because there's no chemical, no preservative.
Up to your dog can eat it.
Dog, puss, anything.
Sure.
You can feed them on it.
All right.
And you can put the gel also on your skin,
Yeah, man.
in your hair.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, and use it as
Everything.
face mask,
Yeah,
everything,
man.
and you're good to go. Yeah?
My cousin, thank you so very much for this experience.
And it's a pleasure, you know, my brother.
All right. God bless you every time, you know.
Yeah, man.
All right. Respect.
Maximum.
I know how nice it is for me to be able to say this video is sponsored by Yaad Moss. I'm sponsor my own video. You see them pre-orders, so people them. Look here now, support the thing, help me pay my bills and help feed and fuel yourself. Because not only is this thing vital for you, it is vital for you. People them, CMAS the thing there. I'm making some CMAS gels, some 8 ounce and 16 ounces for you guys to purchase. And don't worry, I have so much more CMAS products to forward in the future. Let's hope we just want to overstand what I go on and see the pre. You see me? Big up yourself every time, David, man behind the camera. Big up yourself every time, my boss. You see me? And again, just see the pre, dog. See the pre. Show them the pre, dog. See the pre. Out here in St. Thomas, Jamaica. Product of Jamaica. Jamaican branded. Jamaican made. Jamaican supported. That is it. Gone to my yard.